Good morning, student. I hope you will be healthy and happy. In our e-learning classes, I start with the second chapter of our book, that is Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. In this chapter, we learn about the plight of South Africans when they were ruled by white. Introduction of the chapter. Long Walk to Freedom is a great work of Mandela. In this book, Mandela revealed about the anti-apartheid movements and the freedom they won from white. About Nelson Mandela. His full name was Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. He took birth on 18 July 1918 and died on December 5, 2013. He was leader of American National Congress. He fought against apartheid systems of white government of South Africa. He was imprisoned for 30 years. He was the first black president of South Africa and he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1990, Nishani Pakistan, that is the Great Award of Pakistan, in 1992 and Nobel Prize for Peace in 1993. Summary of the chapter. Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa after more than 3 centuries of white rule. On the autumn day, 10th May 1994, the inauguration ceremony took place in the amphitheater of Union Building in Pretoria. In his oath ceremony, Mandela reveals his experience and feelings of his struggles against apartheid. Mandela greeted the guests from more than 140 countries for having come there and told them it was a common victory for justice, peace, and human dignity. Mandela recalled that the reason for the movement was that black skinned peoples were exploited by the white people. Some more key points of this chapter. People learn to hate so that they can be taught to learn love because learning love is easier to learning hate or doing hate. Brave man is that who does not feel afraid but who conquers it. A man has two obligations. First toward his family and second toward his nation. He could not bear the obligation for his family. Freedom is also mandatory for them who were suppressing the others in the past. Not the minerals and gems of South Africa, but the people of South Africa are the greatest wealth. There are some uh, difficult words of these chapters and their meaning is there. You should go through them properly and pause the video and read it properly. Some phrases and words are there in the chapter to understand. Among them, the first is apartheid. Apartheid is a policy of segregation, political and economic discrimination against non-European groups in the Republic of South Africa. Autumn day. Accordance with the cycle of season, there is autumn on 10th May. Autumn represents the preservation of life and its basic necessities. An extraordinary human disaster when white rules and practiced the apartheids. Glorious human achievement to get the freedom and form their own government. Transitory freedoms, not permanent. Flying, swimming, entertainment, etc. Here, transitory freedom is for just for a boy, young man. They like to play, they like to swim, and just feel that they are free. The basic and unrivaled freedom. Freedom of earning of livings, marrying and having family. This is the basic freedom of earning and marrying. Going through the entire chapter, we get three great messages. The first is the brave man is not the one who does not feel afraid, but he is one who conquers that fear. Every man has duties towards his country and his family. And the last one, people are the greatest wealth of the nation. Student, on the basis of this video, you should try to prepare the chapter, do the exercise of the chapter, and prepare well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.